Welcome to our Barcode Manager tutorial series. This video will show you how to set your next number in the Barcode Manager tool and start allocating your barcodes from that number onwards. First, log on to the GS1 Ireland website at www.gs1ie.org. Log into the GS1 Ireland Member Zone by clicking on the Member Login in the top right-hand corner. Enter your username and password and then click Login. Go to your GS1 Ireland dashboard by clicking on your name in the top right and clicking My Dashboard. Click on the Barcode Manager button to log into the Barcode Manager tool. You will need to accept the Barcode Manager terms and conditions in order to proceed. Once in Barcode Manager, you will see your active prefix in the Active Prefix box on the left-hand side of the Barcode Manager screen. A prefix is the bank of numbers from which you can allocate your barcodes. To adjust your active prefix details, click on the Prefix Management tab. If you only have one prefix, then this will be selected automatically. Some organizations may have more than one GS1 prefix. If this is the case, select the prefix you want to make active in the Your Prefixes box. Another name for a barcode number is GTIN, which is the term we will use throughout this video. If you have already issued GTINs from your existing prefix, you must select Set Starting GTIN in Selected Range manually and click Continue. In this case, I have checked my records and I have already activated my first 420 GTINs outside of Barcode Manager, so my next number in sequence is 421. I enter that and select Submit. It is highly recommended that you upload your existing barcode records to the Barcode Manager tool. The import sheet for your selected prefix can be downloaded by selecting Export Available GTINs in this range. Please see our Importing Product Data Files video for guidance on adding legacy products to the Barcode Manager tool. To set the prefixes active and view products issued from your selected prefix, select Set Selected Range as Active and go to My Products and click Continue. For a full explanation on how to allocate a barcode for your product, see our other Barcode Manager tutorial video.